Okay, so for question 20, this is question 20 over here. So they're saying find the equation. Okay, so we need to find the equation of the line CD. So the first thing will be to identify the coordinates. So let's do this. What are the coordinates at C? So we have 0, 6 because it's passing at 0.6. This is 0, 6. Y-axis is 6, x-axis is 0 here. Because here there is a 0, so it's 0, 6. We go to D. D is 6, 0. It's only passing at 6, x-axis at 6. So that's it. This is what we call the issue of y and x intercept, where it's passing at x here and where it's passing at y here. Just get it. The x-axis here, here you get it, the y-axis. The other value you put the 0. You put a 0. So after that, you can now find the gradient. So the gradient, I'm pretty sure you're aware of the formula. This is the formula for finding gradient. So you can put maybe this one, if you want this one to be x sub 2, y sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 1. So if you want, you can interchange these sub 1s, these sub 2s, or the way I've just put. So now let's try to plug in. Sub 2 here is 0, here sub 1 is 6, over here sub 2 is 6, which is over here sub 1 is 0. So you check, you have something, or you work out, you have something like this. When you divide, you have -1. It's -1. So that's our gradient. Let's put it here. M1 is M is -1, sorry. M is -1. So you can now find equation of the line. So use the formula. There are actually two formulas. So you pick the one you feel comfortable working with, this one or this one. So I pick this one. I find this to be very fast. So this, I just go to the coordinates where I've put the sub 1s. So sub 1 here will be 6. My M is -1. My X there, I'll put the sub 1 here, X is 0. So try to solve. I will have something like this. This is just 0. So group the like terms. So when you group the like terms, it will be y is equal to x sub -x plus 6. So if you want, you can write it like this. So this is our solution. Check out the next question. And this other question, they're asking us to find the distance. So they want us to find the distance AB. So the formula for finding distance. So we'll say distance AB. Okay. So this distance AB will be AB. The modulus of AB is equal to x, okay, sub 2 minus x sub 1 plus x, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So now here we need to pick the coordinates. So at B we have -2, 0, -2. At A, here we have 6, 6. We have been given, luckily we have been given. So we can put the coordinates. So we can say this is Z sub 1, X sub 2, Y sub 2. So we plug in our formula here. So sub 2, X sub 2 is 6 minus X sub 1 is 0. Squared. Don't forget the power. Y sub 2 is 6 minus y sub 1 is -2. Put it inside the brackets because of the negative here. So we can work out things. Here we have 6 squared plus. Here when we solve nicely, here we have 6. This one will be positive. This will be positive. So it will be 6 plus 2. Because this will be positive. So which will give us 8 squared. When we work out here, we have 36 plus 64, which is equal to root of 100 when we add. So this answer will be equal to 10 units. That's the answer. When you find the square root of 100, it will be 10. So 10 units. We go to the next question.